Rich and happy greetings, friends. Welcome to today's Money Talk. I'm very happy. See, this is something which is very interesting. When you have something within you and you attempt to make it happen wholeheartedly, universe helps you. And that is why what I understood in my journey since 2011, when I started to work on improving my communication with money, improving my relationship with money. And that is all about what I'm talking with you. Now, how universe helps you. See, today I got a message, WhatsApp message from one of my friend. His name is Subhash Shinde. So he sent me a message and I want to share this message with you. It is very, very interesting message. Yes, there is little trouble going on, but ignore that. Just allow your mind, just allow yourself to listen and focus on what I'm talking about. This is very, very interesting and very, very important thing which I want to talk to you. Okay. So it is about Elon Musk. In one of the conference, Elon Musk was asked, can he think of his daughter getting married to the poor man? And Elon Musk bluntly replied, no, my daughter will never marry a poor person. And he just didn't stop over there. He explained what you mean by poor and what you mean by rich. And let's understand from his own answer. Okay. So what he said, first of all, understand that wealth does not mean having a fat bank account. Wealth is primarily an ability to create wealth. So understand, wealth or becoming wealthy or becoming rich is all about your ability to become rich. Someone who wins the lottery or by gambling, even he wins hundreds of millions of dollars, he is poor having a lot of money. And what will happen with such kind of people? You already know there are many reality shows are there like Crorepati and Millionaire who will be millionaire. The people who win prizes into that, what happens with them? People who win lotteries, what happens with them? Within 5 years, they come back to their main state from where they are started. So these are poor people with a lot of money. And if you are poor, having a lot of money with you, what will happen? You will automatically lose money because money don't like to stay with poor people. Okay. You also have rich people who have no money. For an example, the entrepreneurs, the businessmen who start a business with a big vision in mind, specific objective in mind, and he knows or she knows that yes, she or he is going to create a great world, great service, great product for all of the people world around, and they are going to create fortune for themselves. So such people may not have money immediately, but yes, they are on a path to create money. And these are rich people, even if not having what you call as a great bank balance. Okay. Put it simply, the rich man may die to become rich, while poor man may kill to become rich. If you see a young person who decides to train, to learn new things, who tries to improve himself constantly, know that he is a rich man. So who works on the journey, who takes the journey of self-development, self-improvement, creating a greater version, an improved version of self in different aspects of life. He or she is already rich. Poor people believe in learning only in schools and colleges. Their learning stops immediately once they come out of college. And they feel that, no, I had done with my learning. Now, no learning for me. So here it is very, very interesting to understand. If you see a young person who thinks that the problems is the state and who thinks that the rich are all thieves, and who criticize constantly, know that he is a poor man who complain, who always has a problem, who complain about sun, moon, stars, and clouds and rains and all different things around him or her. These all people are poor people. Keep in mind. In conclusion, when I say my daughter will not marry to poor man, I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about the ability to create the wealth of that man. Excuse me for saying this, but most criminals are poor people. When they are in front of money, they lose their mind. That's why they rob, steal, etc. For them, it's a grace because they don't know how they could earn money by themselves. So they have to snatch. They have to take it from someone. They don't believe that they themselves can create. And people who believe that they can't create money are poor. Keep in mind. People call this man, okay, so I had given one example. One day, a guard of a bank found a bag full of money. He took the bag and went to give it to the bank manager. People called this man an idiot. But in reality, this man was just a rich man who had no money. 1 year later, the bank offered him a job as a receptionist. 3 years later, he was a customer manager. And 10 years later, he manages the regional management for this bank. He manages 100 of employees and his annual bonus exceeds the amount he could have stolen, right? So wealth of, if you really think about wealth, if you really think about richness, it is not in your bank account. It is in your mind. It is your ability, what you think about yourself and what confidence you have on yourself that yes, you can create lot of money in your mind. So now, my friends, I want to ponder on this and decide who you are. Are you rich or you are poor? Do you have an ability to create money in your life? And if yes, please comment in comment box that yes, I have an ability to create money in my life. You can just comment, I have an ability. Thank you and meet you again to the next money talk. Thank you.